Changing security settings on Phemex is essential for ensuring the safety of your account. Follow these steps to quickly adjust your security settings. Step 1. Log into your account. Access the Phemex website or app and enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to security settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings menu, usually found in the upper right corner. Click on it and select the security option from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Enable two-factor authentication. In the security settings, find the option for two-factor authentication 2FA. Follow the prompts to enable 2FA, which typically involves linking an authentication app or receiving SMS codes. Step 4. Update password. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 5. Review account activity. Check the account activity section to monitor any recent logins or transactions. If you notice any suspicious activity, take immediate action by changing your password and contacting support. By following these steps, you can enhance the security of your Phemex account effectively. Always remember to keep your security settings updated regularly.